First, peel the protective film off the front of the mask. Slide the lower portion of the Easy Adjuster strap over your head while placing the foam padding of the mask on the front of your chin. The Easy Adjuster is the strap that comes from the jawline portion of the mask. Next, slide the upper or nasal line strap over your head while positioning the foam padding of the top of your mask across the lower part of your nose. Pull the drawstring to tighten the mask for a close fit. The mask should feel snug and secure, but not limit your breathing. The sides of the mask will be open, not touching your face. When the mask is in place, please make sure that it has not caused your hair to obscure the opening to your ears. When using your stethoscope, be careful not to entangle it with your mask. Between encounters, you will have an opportunity to wipe clean any condensation that accumulates. If you have any additional questions, please ask a testing center representative when you are on site.